In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export contacts from Mailchimp. Whether you're looking to back up your contacts, move them to another platform, or simply keep your records up to date, exporting contacts from Mailchimp is a straightforward process that you can easily manage yourself. So, let's dive in, and I'll walk you through each step. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Mailchimp homepage. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the Mailchimp website. If you're not already logged in, do so using your credentials. Once you're on the home page, you'll see several options and menus. What you're looking for is the Audience tab. This tab is your gateway to all the contacts you have on Mailchimp, and it's typically found on the left-hand side of your screen. Go ahead and click on Audience. Now that you're in the Audience section, you'll see a list of your contacts. These are the people who have subscribed to your mailing lists. At this point, you can decide which specific contacts you want to export. If you wish to export all your contacts, that's perfectly fine. However, if you only need a subset of them, you can select those individually. Simply click on the contact or group of contacts you'd like to export. Once you've made your selection, you'll need to find the Export Audience option. This is usually located towards the top of the screen, often as a button or a link. By clicking on Export Audience, you initiate the process that will prepare your selected contacts for export. Mailchimp will then bundle this information into a downloadable file for you. The exporting process may take a few moments, depending on how many contacts you're dealing with. Once it's ready, Mailchimp will notify you, typically through an email or a notification within the app itself. You can then download the file, which will usually be in a CSV format. This format is widely compatible with many applications, making it easy to import your contacts into other platforms or services. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your contacts from Mailchimp. Remember, keeping backups of your contact lists is a good practice, ensuring that you always have access to your valuable subscriber information. If you need to perform any further tasks, such as cleaning up your contact list or analyzing your data, this exported file will be incredibly useful. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.